What's up guys, it's your boy John. We are back again here with another video. Something exciting came in today. It's the PRL HVI intake for the Civic Type R and the Integra Type S. So yeah, without further ado, let's do a quick unboxing, sound comparisons between the other ones I did earlier, which is stock and then the Sprint filter, and you know, get my reactions. PRL, okay. One of those foams that expand. Okay. We have this plastic molding. The outside is texturized. We have a coupler and more of that foam, nothing underneath it. Look at the meat and potatoes of it. You can see on the inside it's smooth, which is great. And well, everything's inside of it. So we're just gonna unscrew this so we can get more access. Now this intake is pretty expensive, but compared to other intakes on the market, it's a great deal. Like, I'm not into like, okay, engine bay with carbon fiber is awesome, but I think there's a fine balance between performance, looks. I kind of like dig this OEM look. Heat soak. Can't even open this. Just leave it like that. Another coupler. Here, that. The map house. See the design, it's like a velocity stack, PRL printed. Hardware. Looks like some washers. Zip ties. Now this is a little interesting piece right here. This is a snorkel for the bottom of the intake. So I haven't seen any really good footage. So imagine the car kind of like this. It's gonna sit like that. And the OEM one takes air in here, goes down, then goes back up. This one just goes straight in. But even with that change, it's not enough air accordingly. So PRL has a little extra snorkel. So it sits like this, and it gets a little bit more air into the system, and should make a little bit more noise too, which is gonna be cool. But yeah, install, there's some good videos out there. I'll see if I will do a quick install, but I really want to just do a comparison. All right, so the box is in. I know I skipped a lot of steps. I'm just going to tell you what I ran into and some mindful thoughts. When you install the box, try to make this area loose. Don't bolt anything. That kind of goes without saying. The bottom right here has a part you need to reuse from the OEM box, and then there's that drain hole. So there's just one. This one kind of helps align the bottom. And then it reuses this back one right here as well. Now for the mass sensor harness, there's this plastic piece that used to go around the OEM box, kind of like this. And it goes here. So that piece is kind of a pain in the butt to take off. But you could just remove one of these pins and kind of route it like this. You could take it off. I just left it on there because it kind of just works like that. You can see it right there. Taking it off is pretty, I mean, you just unplug this and take it off one, just like, it feels like 20 little of those pop clips. And yeah, I just didn't want to do that in case I need. I live in California, so it's a pain in the butt. Just in case I need to swap back to the OEM box, you just swap it real quick. So I just like, dude, I'm not gonna spend like 30 minutes. Maybe you can do it better, but they're plastic, so it's easy to break. And let's see what else. This piece right here is normally, it is like, they kind of like grind it off so you can't unscrew it from the factory. So instead of like unscrewing it, just loosen these two OEM ones and then you can just pull it straight out. Yeah, reuse OEM seals. These little things were kind of hard to push in, but they push in. And yeah, that's about it. I'll go for a test drive, give you guys a sound comparison. I'll try to make it similar to my original video. I do have the Honda tune now, so it's a little bit more aggressive in terms of the pops. But if you can just focus on the startup. So I already started the car just in case, and I've warmed it up. It's at like 4 bars, 3 bars right now, so it should be good. It's already warmed up. I'm gonna start it, do some revs, and then move on to the my impressions of me driving it. Sound comparison is what you guys are here for, so I'll try to do a good job and keeping it pretty similar. Alright, so that concludes it. The PRL Intake. My thoughts on it. Much louder than stock. It is louder than the OEM stock box with the Sprint and spoon filter. And I definitely hear it more towards the left side of the car. You can hear it with the windows actually up now, like a good amount. Power-wise, it feels okay, like the same, to be honest. I actually have a favorable tune that has it for the intake HVI for the PRL intake, so I have a tune for it. I need to put on, and you know, shout outs to John Vega for that. That's going to be an upcoming video of having it, all that jazz going on. Right now I just have the Honda Stage 1 tune, the 91 octane. So yeah, overall, do I recommend it? For the price, and if you're into all this stuff and if you like intake noises, I think you'll love it. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. PRL Intake. It's a dub.